What's up guys? In this tutorial, I will show you how to unblock the Chrome Web Store on your PC. If you're trying to access the Chrome Web Store, but the page appears blank or doesn't load properly, there is a quick and simple fix you can try. Start by opening Google Chrome and head to the official Chrome Web Store website at chromewebstore.google.com. The link is provided in the video description for easy access. If the store loads but doesn't display any content, look up the address bar. You will see a lock icon next to the URL. Click on that. This will open a menu showing the site permissions that Chrome is currently using for that page. In this menu, look for an option that says Reset Permissions and click on it. This action clears any permission restrictions you may have unknowingly applied to the Chrome Web Store. After resetting the permissions, reload the page. The Web Store should now load correctly and display all available extensions and apps. Also, when doing this, avoid logging into your Google account during the process, as sometimes administrative restrictions or sync settings tied to your account can affect access. I hope this helped you out. Leave a comment if you have any questions and see you in the next one.